And last 15 years, we have been working for the best possible primer. And we found it. This is patented epoxy primer. It's not
Epoxy?
Yeah, it is epoxy.
Versus a zinc chromate.
Exactly.
Ah.
You don't need phosphoric acid to clean, only solvent, and you apply epoxy, which gives you unbelievable flexibility with the application.
Yeah.
You don't need have these tight windows, you know.
Yeah.
You apply one coat, and then you take a rest, you apply second coat, so it's easier to apply.
And it's hard. It's a two-part, right?
Yeah, this is two
Wow.
part. And then you have our clear coat, which is, we are the only manufacturer. Compared to our competitors, they are not manufacturing this.
Is this a silicone?
Yes, and we are worldwide biggest supplier of this product.
Wow.
So this is our technology. We are the company who put this on props first time in 1970s in commercial marine market.
Wow.
We are 105 years old Japanese paint manufacturer.
Wow.
So let's say this is our technology, and our silicone is a little bit different than theirs. The oil inside it makes it work, and their oil is fast bleaching. Ours is controlled. So we offer up to 2 years protection.
Wow. So 2 years, you don't have to mess with the props.
Exactly.
Now, what is it when you're cleaning with a diver? Just
You can do that. When it moves, it will clean itself. For example, after 1 year, 2 years, you lift it out. There are minor damages. You can do local repairs.
wow, just
Again,
local and without
yeah,
having to strip it all again.
Exactly. And if it's completely good, just one fresh coat of silicone,
Yes.
you are good to go another 2 years.
Wow.